Okay, so let's create a new document. I will decide to go with the print settings A4 horizontal, no facing pages. I will start with the 8 pages just to begin. You can change the number in any moment. Also, the number of column can be 5, but can be any other number. The gutter is the gap between the column, 4 millimeters. And about the margins, I want to have like different margins from the top, from the other sides. And about the bleed, I want by default to have 3 millimeters all around my page. So let's go create. I want to reset the workspace in order to be consistent with all you guys, and then I want to double click on A master to make sure I am the A master, or in case I can go to the menu on the lower part of the screen. Then in A master I want to apply the title of my work, which is going to be featured in each single page. So I'm using the T tool in order to type my text, and then I want to edit a little. I'm changing the position of the text frame. I want to change the size of the font. I want to change the color. In this case, I want to do some gray color instead of full black. And okay, I want to look how it look like. You can press W on your screen in order to see how it look like when printed. I can set a specific position of my text box, in this case 15 millimeter from the top of the page, but then I want to change my idea. I want also to have like an horizontal line, a line with the edge of the page. This line should be black, 1 point thick, double line. And also I want to add the page number that is going to be repeated in each single page. So I go to Type menu, ask for Insert Special Character, Markers Current Page Number. I have a mistake, I have a double A. Okay, now the double A has been removed. A now means A master. When I will be in the normal page, I will have a page number. You have number 1, and then you have the page 1, you have the number 1, page 2, page 3, and so on. So these are the elements of the master page.